Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is accident di Tubaban. The following is update on a series of accident on the Singaraja Denpasar Highway 48.9 kilometers in the Batu Riji village, Batu Riti district, Tabanan Regency, Bali. The incident that occurred on the Saturday, 18 June 2022 at around 1 p.m. killed a pedestrian Dapatni Wayan Wadani, 30 years old. The incident involved a tourism bus with 10 cars and 2 motorbikes. The bus was carrying approximately 45 students and a teacher from a study tour group from one of the junior high school in Surabaya, East Java. Most recently, the bus driver with the initial ES, or 37 years old, has been named as suspect. He said he did not rule out other suspects. Meanwhile, the bus driver admitted the tire stopped the bus, but still couldn't move river. The route at the time was in a state of deadline. The river that incident to driver a zigzag way. It is divided. The suspect bus can be controlled. The U.S. said it was sorry and accident was not purpose. He also apologized to the victim in Kompas.com. The accident began when the tour bus driven by the U.S. 38 years old was traveling from the Singaraja to Denpasar. Arriving the scene, the bus is suspect of the having brake failure and out of the control. The next news is Cianjur teenagers stand in the middle of the road trying to stop the truck passing. A teenager stopped a viral box truck on social media. The viral video allegedly took place on the Sunday morning from the 12th of the night to 4 in the morning. The video in teenagers suddenly stopped the truck or the stand of the middle of the road in the hand starting forward the chance and the head. And the head of the truck is hoping the car will be stopped. The action taken by the teenager is considered very dangerous for another motorcycle. Rudy said that the action taken by the teenager reportedly caused on the victim to the health accident because the truck suddenly stopped. Another Cipanas resident, Septian, 22 years old, he said that he furious after seeing the action of the teenager. Septian hopes that the three will be action from the authorities so that the three are no more incident in the cool endangered motorized. The next news is bloody incident in Malang. Grandmother dies with the head covered with a pillow. Three were allegations that lead to the incident in the MS-18 was the main mastermind behind the death of the wife, 70 years old. Grandmother from the Bocek village, Karangploso district, Malang Regency. Respondent Titis Malang Police Chief Adjutant Senior Commissioner of Police Fairly Hidayat confirmed that his body has not yet named as suspect in this case. This condition was a trigger because the key witness MS was being treated at the hospital. In addition, the police are still digging for the strong evidence of the determination of the suspect from the available evidence. As a result, Ferry confirmed that if MS was the person responsible was losing life, it was still a judge. On the other hand, Police are still processing analysis for the puzzle of the inaugural casing for the alleged murder of a grandmother with the initial Y. The police suspect was why injuries were caused by the blue option, where a flight the kitchen with his fast configured with the pilot. Barry added the other victim was the victim Green Sun WM is 18 years old. The victim ran for a suffering cuts all over his neck is so much, misses the time to traverse with the help from neighbor were wind violent. More than 18 witnesses have been examined. In the case, the shocked resident of the Karang Pluso, the witness include the husband Siri of Y. The next news is attack stand a journalist in Palang Kulingau. The treasurer of the Indonesian Journalists Association Musirawas or Mura was shot by the tiger trams of the Lubuk Linggau police. The suspect is Imam, a resident of the Dusun Baru Air Kuti village, East Lubuk Linggau 1 district. He was ambushed by the tiger team Friday at around 4 p.m. The police were forced to shoot EM in the leg during arrest, the three escaped and arresting during the influence. The head of the Lubuk Linggau Police Senior Commissioner of the Police Haris Sandito, the head of the Criminal Investigation Unit Adjutant Police Commissioner Muhammad Rami said that the suspect was arrested less than 200 hours after carrying out the action. Meanwhile, the victim motorbike was found in Lubuk Linggau Rumbai village, Tuanggari district, Musirawas Regency. It was previously known that the robbery took place on the Porus Street, Tabalestari village, East Lubuk Linggau 1 district. At the time, the victim Andi Sahaludin was riding a blue Yamaha Vega PG 5601 hippie motorcycle on this way, pray for the funeral. Arriving at the crime scene, because the street light when the Hanris resident Panana Lestari housing, Andi, who is local resident, stopped his motorbike to run on the light. The NCB, which and the electric pole suddenly was stand up by unknown person at the moment the victim immediately fell. By the time victim stopped at the on, was about asked for the help. The victim found his motorbike was the launcher tier. The victim and walked about 200 meters back on house. There is family and neighbor. He was taken to the hospital. The next news is 1,000 of the worst disturbing Thanksgiving. Thousands of the world streaming lighting bubbles at the Thanksgiving celebration, receiving first communion held by a family in a remote village, Asia district, Nangge Keo Regency, Flores, Sunday, January 19, 2022. The presence of the thousands of the was promoted and the invite guests not feel at home for a long in the even 10 for the of being studied by the Fino. Sadly, the new welcoming party in the family was sadly cut. The influence steadily attended only took the time to shake hands, braving, and left the even 10 again. The next news is investigation of rope night party in the South Jakarta. The party until rope night in the South Jakarta was separately investigated by the police. The police immediately arrested 2 people arrested the South Jakarta rope night activity. Ridwan has not yet delighted the 2 people who were arrested. The 2 people arrested consider the party responsible for the alleged prostitution of the party, Previously, Jagat Ma and the Sok were the cancellation of the event poster titled Rap Night Follow 2. The event was organized by the Night Fit group Consulate Urbanica. The poster stated the event will be held at the Message Barrier Induwijaya area Jakarta on the June 2022. The theme and the concept of the event was in disco with a photo of a sexy woman in it. This event also contained the word of the Prophet national jargon with the sensual tone, doubly beyond your wilderness expectation. Responding to this, Jakarta Metropolitan Commissioner Budi Hardini spoke up. He admitted the party had not receiving a forbid application regarding the night for rap event to that. Asked about event with this to be filed the sexuality, Budi said that this party was considering ensuring a permit of the event. According to him, if permit application is not found in the feeding violation, it will be issued a permit for the event. And the last news is, robbery occurs at the education office. The picket officer at the Tasikmalaya Regency Education Office is suspected of the being held captive by the gang of robbers. In a video circulating of the WhatsApp application, it showed two people face down in an office room Monday, 20 June 2022 in the morning. The unlettered video, which says about 11 seconds long, immediately showed two people lying fast on the floor with their fatty tail. The another officer in the blue shirt was seen trying to until his screws with the two fighting with a knife. But the victim was a thermal typist. A rescue workers removed that step. An official from the Tasikmalaya Regency government, who did not want to be named, confirmed that the village that the robbery have taken place in the district office. It's not now what is team understood. The relevant task is still consulting data and information. Well, I think that's all for news for today with me, Kusnul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.